guys, this is Carissa. Today we learn sign numbers 11 through 20. Before you get started, always make sure you use the version of words and numbers that your ASL community uses. Let's get started. 11 through 15 will be double movement. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Again, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Now, 16 to 19. 16 to 19, you can do that 3 different ways. The itchy finger, the twist, and the 10 plus. Today we're going to be doing the 10 plus. 16, 17, 18, 19. Again, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. You can do it open, close, or just 2 plus 0. Today we'll be doing 2 plus 0. 20. Now let's do them all together. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. That's it, guys. See you in the next video.